Hi everyone, welcome back in this new video. This is Soheb and you are watching SaaS Reviews with Soheb. So guys, if you want to organize any work hold initiatively in a scalable and collaborative platform, so I'm gonna review one tool that will help you to save your lots of time and as well as you can automate your work in one platform. So watch this video till the end so that you can get to know about that tool, how that tool can help you to automate your work and how you can save your lots of time. Okay, so without getting any delay, let's jump into it. But before that, if you are new to this channel, hit the like button so I'll get some motivation, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so whenever I will be reveal my new video, so you will get a notification. If you will click on notification bell also. Okay, so let's get started. So that tool which I'm talking about, the tool name is EasyNote. EasyNote is a next generation smart productivity project management software created with simplicity in mind. It helps you organize your work with EasyView or Kanban. Invite project member collaboration with live updates, search for anything with most powerful in search engine, right? And who is this best for? Designed for business all of sizes, it is a project management tool that support time tracking, reporting, risk management, collaboration, change management and more. And if you talk about EasyNote pricing overview, so they have a two pricing plan. One is premium, second is prime. So if you will go with premium plan, so you will get what you can do in this tool. So first of all, we will talk about those things, right? So you can task and projects you can manage, team members, file update, storage, real-time notification, link sharing, conversation, categories, dashboard, web and desktop apps, any search, easy view, templates, Kanban, okay, easy activity, custom background, reoccurring task, save and Excel, PDF, labels, task dependency, read-only project, Slack integration, timeline, custom branding, logo, save project as a template, 2FA authentication, widgets, okay, and app simple CRM priority support, dedicated manager, training program, many works you can do. But in premium plan you have a limit, but if you will use their prime plan, so you can do unlimited work with this tool. Premium plan is $5 monthly and their prime plan is $10 monthly. Okay, so you can buy it and you can use it. Now I will tell you something more about this tool, but this tool, with this tool you can do all these works. If you are doing continuously your work and you are managing your all these kind of works with different platform, so you no need to use to those tools after buying this tool, because after buying this tool you can automate your entire work in one platform, right? Tracking project across platform can feel like setting multiple morning alarm. The 7:15 alarm is for when I ignore the 7 a.m. alarm, and the 8 a.m. alarm is for when I have given up. As your projects expand and workloads grow, you need a visual summary of your work that's scalable and adaptable. What if there was a single software that could manage all of your work in one place? So say hello to EasyNote. So guys, I have an amazing deal for you in this video. If you really like this tool, after knowing all these things, you can do this and that things with this tool. So you no need to buy this tool on a recurring basis, like you no need to pay on a monthly basis, on a yearly basis. You can buy this tool for a lifetime and you can get your access for a lifetime. Okay, so you can buy this tool from AppSumo Marketplace. AppSumo Marketplace is a digital marketplace for entrepreneurs where you can find all digital tools for your businesses, and you can automate your entire businesses with the use of these tools. If you will buy this tool from here, so you will get this tool only at just $69. Okay, just you have to pay one time and you can access this tool for life. And also they have mentioned all these things, all the details about this tool. You can read and you can understand about these things, how you can use it, how you can access it, and how many features you are getting with this tool. Okay, so and if you talk about their plan and features, so also you can read all the plan and features. They have already mentioned about this tool plan and features. Okay, but they have 3 license tiers, license tier 1, 2, 3. So if you will go with license tier 1, so you have to pay $69 only, and you will get all these features. If you will go with tier 2, so you have to pay $129. If you will go with tier 3, so you have to pay $199, and you can get all the access. But you have one custom option also in license tier 3. You can select another tier 3, 4, 5. If you will go with tier 5, so you have to pay $399 one time, and you can get all these things. Okay, after getting all amazing things with this tool, they are also giving you a 60 days money back guarantee with this tool. After buying this tool, if you are not satisfied, so you can get back your refund easily, right? So if you want to try, so you can try it, but trust me, you will not get dissatisfaction with this tool, because they are already mentioned all these things about this tool, and they are offering you a very good deal, right? And you know that EasyNote is a web-based and desktop project management software for collaborative work that is scalable to fit any project or business, right? With EasyNote, you will be able to effortlessly establish a clear workflow and get on track to complete project in second, no matter your workload. The grid-based system EasyView lets you visualize your task on a tool that matches how your brain thinks, instead of making you adapt your processes of a productivity gimmick. To get started, you can customize your work from scratch or select one of the platform's many predefined templates. You can manage any type of work, from a simple to-do list large enterprise project, using powerful and diverse project widgets. And the intuitive grid-based EasyView conceptualize information the same way your brain does for effective organization. EasyNote dashboard is truly unique compared to other organization platform on the market, and even lets you build your own custom dashboard and add unlimited gadgets to them, right? From there, you can see a rundown of all tasks and project timeline, deadlines, and statuses of completion in one single place. You can even view the workload of each them member on their subtasks. You can choose to view a summary of all projects or view them individually for project specific info, while keeping track of all documentation at once. The combined project dashboard offer an entire overview of all ongoing work, complete with progress data. You can find anything you are looking for using any search. The powerful search engine integrated directly into EasyNote. Quick open the search menu with keyboard commands and start typing for instant search results across any documents, list, comment, and attachment. The search engine query will return results from everything you have created across all projects, tasks, and documents, so no information ever gets lost again. Right? The built-in any search engine help you find relevant query, result across task, comments, attachment, and more. Get a bird's eye view of your work using the Kanban style board, ideal for individualizing tasks and maximizing efficiency. You will be able to simplify your team and communication with at a glance status update about project and overall workload. Decide whether you want to work with task displayed as a list of cards, and then use your keyboard to switch between cards in 3D for time-saving navigation. And because the Kanban boards are integrated with the keyboard EasyView, you can update all your widgets from Kanban for order across the board. Okay. And if you talk about view your work quickly with the dashboard inspired by the Kanban method, if you want to avoid stressing about organization, you need an initiative designed to keep track of things. Does Pill Organize make me look 90s? From simple to-do list to large enterprise software, EasyNote is an adaptable and scalable platform that makes work stress-free. Can collaborative work with ease, so you can get lifetime access with EasyNote today after buying from AppSumo Marketplace. So if you are really interested to buy this tool, so I have mentioned the affiliate link in my video description. You can go through that link whenever you will be click on that link, so you will be redirect on this landing page. And after coming this landing page, so you can buy this tool from here directly. And if you will go directly on AppSumo, so you will be a little bit confused how to find this tool. But I have already mentioned that link. So whenever you will click, so you will be redirected. And one more thing, whenever you will be buy this tool, so I'll get some sort of commission out of your purchase. but it will not cost you more than that. Okay, but it will help me to improve my channel performance. Okay, so now also you can read all the rating and reviews for this tool on the AppSumo Marketplace page. Okay, and if you want to search more about this tool, so you can search on Google, you can search on YouTube more, you can watch some more tutorials. And if you want to know more something, if you want to know something more, so you can go through their official website and you can read all these things, what they are providing you and what you will get with this tool. And if you have any questions for pricing plans, so you can ask your questions also. And if you have any doubt related to this review video, so you can let me know in the comment box. I will give you the answer as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you soon in another one. For till now, bye bye and take care of yourself.